So let's open this up and see what's inside. I've never opened one of these before, so I'm not sure what to expect. I'm guessing there's going to be some kind of silver mylar thing like all other keyboards. A few more screws and we'll be inside. Not important trying to make a clean job. I rushed too quickly and stripped the some screws, but I'm not gonna fiddle around. Let's see if there's any hidden screws here. Oh, there's another hidden screw. There's always little hidden screws behind the labels. Annoying trying to figure that out. There you go. Pop it right open. Break the ones that are not important. Oop. There you go. So, off the bat, this is the, I guess you can call it, it's the, not the power button, but the mouse option of the keyboard, where you click and stuff, and the mouse moves. This part I think actually just damaged, or no, I think it's just like a chrome sticker. Sorry, not a chrome, but copper. So there you go, you even get a little bit of copper there. So I'm guessing this little guy here might actually have some value. I know for a fact this works, so I'm gonna go hold on to this, check to see if it has a value, because people do repair these keyboards, and I'll go from there. I'll post the value, if anything, in the message section or the description section of my video. So that's that. Now you have the keyboard here. Okay, so this is a little difficult. Let's try to get these screws out. If not, I'm just gonna rip the keyboard apart. No. A better screwdriver, and if not, I'm just gonna try to bust it. I don't think I have anything better, so I'm just gonna break this thing apart. Hopefully don't lose any keys.